Apparently, he went on national TV to say that the study route, which we all know, study route to move to the UK.
Hello everybody, welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. I bring this our brother when just a trend online on our Nigeria circle. If you be Nigeria, you go know what they talk about. When our sister Dyna Ekwueme, she do live stream just now. Though I dey cook, I say may I quick drop my own 2 cents. The video just they go, everywhere. People they cause the man. Some people they talk bad about the man. First of all, I go like me we now hear from Dyna Ekwueme waiting he talk about the guy. May we hear what the Ekwueme.
Nigerians are angry at a particular content creator, YouTuber, that went on BBC to cast us. Listen, UK is the most popular destination for most Nigerians. And now they've already announced, we don't know if it was because of this interview or they've been planning, they've already announced that immigration changes would be made on that study route by January 2024. And it just foiled a whole lot of things, seeing this guy on BBC giving general statements. Many people were like, oh, it's because content creators, before they even go somewhere, they've already picked their camera, they've started talking, doing this, doing that. Nigerians are the loudest, many people have benefited.
People, I hope now hear from our sister Dyna Ekwueme waiting she talk. My people, for this guy, when many of us they insult, many of us they badge on. I they abroad. Many of us they abroad. Many of us they Africa, Nigeria. May we not to forget, say those UK people, why they plus Nigeria student visa with your family, they know say they will, get their money easily, quick through Nigeria. Nigeria they get money. Nigeria fit do undo to leave their country. You understand? Because we not really cherish wetin we girls. Many people rich for that one Nigeria. They get house, they are living comfortable, they get good job, but they are desperate to come abroad. That is why they plus Nigeria. But I not see to forget say many things they want. Many things they where they know they plus Nigeria. May we not to they forget. But when they go see say where they for benefits from us, those people that they benefit from us, may we not to run our mouth, may we not to forget. Those people they benefit on us. If they see the one that will take benefit on us, they will plus Nigeria. But if they see say the one where they don't take benefit on us, they no plus Nigeria. May we not to forget and may we not to insult this guy because the thing pay me. Before this guy, the interview and BBC interview, not be say what the guy talk, say it makes sense. You understand? But we not to forget, say those abroad people, before that they make their decision, not be just today, not because of that guy make it talk, now make their government change their law or they change their way. Their government, don't they see their system? Nigerian people, they come. The highest country where they give visa to come and study. Nigeria are the highest in their system. Not because of what we talk on social media. Now many yes, what did the guy talk? It don't make sense. It don't talk away. People they insult government. You can't be say because you they insult government will come meet you for house. People they talk bad thing against the country. You can't be say they'll come meet you for house. No. UK work with their system. Their system they tell they say Nigeria are the highest. Packing their family, packing their children. Now this boy are mad. They just interview one. So let the interview, the guy not arrange himself well, he not make sense, he not settle down. That what of many people when they don't interview, tell me say now let this guy they interview. What of many people when they interview say they come to study, they come to why it can't be saying that this particular one, their system. I just want to tell some of my Nigeria people when they quarrel, when they para, when they vet for this guy, many people they insult her, many people they talk with their country when their system they work. With their country, be like say this my camera too high. With their country, when their system they work, their system, UK system is working. There are not many people when enter today. There are not many people when enter yesterday. There are not many people when enter day for yesterday. Now they will come sit down. They will come calculate. All those family when they pack they come now. Maybe if we say maybe we pack them go back. The word go there against they say that they carry family and children they go back. Okay, what if we can't leave them? We can't document them for here, give them passport, give them everything. Now, see how many years? See, those Western world country, they know they think of today. They think of thousands years coming. How their country go be? How their country go look like? Yes, waiting up. Don't be saying it makes sense. But may we not to forget, when we dey abroad, may we see they tell our sisters, our brother when they back home say, not be because of this particular make UK to change their plan towards us. UK just open border for us not to build their economy. That's how I see it. Because I said make video about those UK, the same UK people say, make time no reach. They will come, they don't collect many of our country people money finish. Time will come, they will come start to dey deport them. Go back to their country. When they know say they sell all their property, when they know say they don't have anything to fall back. Somebody drop me comment. I don't know whether this person go green. May I measure am? No be this year. Inside last year. Inside last year. Now the person talk and say, UK, they don't dey plan how they want to remove Nigeria. Who should be say the boy just grant interview? Now the boy come. I say I dey cook my stew. As I dey cook my stew, this thing just dey do my body. Now since I not concentrate, I dey quick dey talk am because I dey fry fish and I know why my fish is burn. Una dey see am. Wetin content creator? How content? Some people say na content creator. That one another video go be. Before UK tell this come outside, they say next year they will remove Nigeria. Person go dey come without his family. UK, my UK. Yes, UK. If na person they go America, go work. You know, carry family. Because they see some family for my school, for my children's school. When the woman I get opportunity to come work for France, then the man go escort her children go school and the man go dey pick them. Many day my children's school like that. America also, I don't see these Britain people. They did this my children's school. They did this my children's school. One, they work. One, they take care of children. Why our own black own Nigeria can be different to now? Now open visa. We they pass through a lot. Now the whole world they pass through a lot. But so now no say many of us we like to enter America, Canada, UK. They will now open the border for us. Our money they feel they take us there. Wait it constantly be the problem. Wait it constantly be the problem. Say we they too they pack our children. The thing they pay una. May una not worry. One day I they pray to God. God will still do our country. People will still they come. People like una will still they come. Will still they make shakara for una. My people, my main reason of doing this video, may we not to insult this our brother. Yes, waiting he talk, he not talking well, but not because of waiting he talk. The year when now make UK remove Nigeria. UK don't they plan wait Nigeria. UK don't they find waiting they want to remove Nigeria. No. They don't make their money because as they break out from Europe. Now there the information I say if they go out from Europe, they go open border. Open border na teeth we take they go there. Open border na nose I be our speed now. No be money. You don't know how much they pay for visa. You don't know how much they pay for flight tickets. You don't know how much I beg. I just dey vex. I dey cook. I say me I could do this video so that tomorrow morning me I publish am. I be get 2 videos where I never still publish. One I want like publish. Also, I never did that one. I say me I fair do this one. Me I publish am. May we suffer insult our brother. No be our brother tell UK say may they remove Nigeria. Now their system they work. Not be like our Nigeria when the system not they work. Where they don't know how many will be, how many people enter the country. UK as they enter the country, their system don't pick you how many people enter. Why are we banching our brother? Yes, we tell our brother not he talk, not good. But not because of that they deny you visa. Not because of that, UK want remove Nigeria. UK don't they plan this thing. UK system now they work say the highest country when they open a student visa to come study for their country. Nigeria are the highest, and Nigeria pack with their family, children, opportunity. They use them, jackpa, use them, enter. So they do they hear jackpa. Not only this guy. A lot of people they social media when they talk, many things. A lot of people they. May una pity this una brother. No be una brother be government. No be una brother tell what they call immigration to stop Nigeria. Now their system. Now they say Nigeria are the highest. Entering their country with family. Nigeria are the highest. Coming to UK to come and study. All the name of I want to study. Use the opportunity. Take come UK. Now their system they work. May we leave this our brother when go nyam yapata for interview. No be interview. Make UK want remove Nigeria. I don't hear this story. Person when they inside UK. Now if nyami this story, I don't know whether the person go accept. He go agree. May I mention her name? I love to mention her name. She don't hear this story for long. Get video when I do. When she tell me say my sister, my daughter, UK they want remove Nigeria. Oh, you get one live stream when we just talk general talk. Now there she for tell me say my sister, my daughter, UK want remove Nigeria. This our brother when they drag. In fact, we want drag the black hair when they on top of your head to come out. May we take calm easy now. And as we they do one like this, we don't ever get respect from all those people. As we they drag this our brother, they insult her online. They still they wash. They still they see. They still they look. They go say see them. I don't want pronounce her. may we love ourselves. If something one person do good, may we correct am with love, may we correct am with, in case another person e wan make that mistake, e go quickly withdraw, or e go quickly talk wise. Sometimes many of our people dem dey think say no person wey sabi speak English, when you come give am mic, wetin you think say may e do when e come find himself, oh, for English country my fish wan go burn. My people, no worry, we will deliberate on this thing. May we take am easy with our brother. No be our brother court say UK, may UK remove us. UK, they don already dey sign am for their table, for their immigration, say no, Nigeria, their own is too much now. They always come in with children. All the name of someone custody, all the name of all the family that will pack. Some go over, Nigeria, now we are removing Nigeria. No be online cause am. I beg, may we leave this our brother. May we take am easy. You, my brother, anybody, if any Western word grant you interview, count your word and talk. Count your teeth and talk. Because those people, they use your word against you. Though no be that your word made the one use that against you. They don't already get that plan. But people to see, they'll can't use that your word against you. Let us be careful. Before you they talk, let double think. Let think wise before open our mouth and throw it out. No be this our brother make UK. You want remove us for UK. And UK, you when they remove people. Those my country people, when they sell their property, enter. And no one here. One day, you can deport them just like that. You know, say, many people borrow money. If na no, me, I tell you now. Many people borrow money. Many people sell their property. Many people, they don't get plan B. But na not frustrate our people. The one when our Nigeria, it don't do us. Now this one I get to talk. Let me take am easy. Me, I remove my cap. I dey cook. I go run put this cap. Oh man, now here they go.